Hello, in this video I'd like to show you how to use JoomSport shortcodes to create beautiful stats pages. In particular, I want to create a league page for English Premier League. On my side I have JoomSport, the basic sets of plugin installed like JoomSport, predictions. I take the data from Statorium service. In particular, I have two seasons imported for English Premier League, current one and previous one, and also I have World Cup data imported. And as a page builder, I use Elementor, but actually you can use absolutely any page builder you have on your site. It doesn't really matter. The idea is absolutely similar. Unfortunately, we don't have integration with any page builder, so to create the pages, what you need to do is you have to create two pages. Okay, so I create the first page. One will be classic page, and I will add a classic HTML block here. Inside that HTML editor, I will find the JoomSport icons and all the shortcodes available. So let's generate the matches shortcode, for example. Okay, so I use the current season. I want to have 10 coming matches. This logo, slider, vertical, scanning, and I'd like to have a short names. Okay, so I copy this shortcode and then I create the new page with Elementor. Let's say English Premier League stats 2022-23. Okay, and let's edit this with Elementor. So Elementor is loaded, and what we do, we add text into on page, and then paste our shortcode we generated. So let's publish and see how it looks like. So here is the coming matches in slider on top of the page, and I will also generate some other shortcodes and build the page using the Elementor structure. So for example, I would like to have a standings here. So I put a text editor here. I will put text heading here. Let's have top scorers. Then I put text editor here, and here I would like to have a table. So what I do is I generate standings table for English Premier League. I would like to have all places. I configure the columns, difference, points, and current form, and lovely. Middle name, also middle name is a popular name, and display legend of that shortcode. I copy that and I paste it into the page. And now I would like to have some stats edit. Okay, so I use the plug statistic shortcode. Total goals, 5 top players, this photo, This team name, and everything is short. Let's update it and reload the page to see how it looks like now. Okay, so as you can see on top of the pages, you have matches shortcode and table on the left side, and then top scorers. So in similar way, I will put some other shortcodes and show you what I have managed to achieve. So here is the final page I have managed to create with Elementor. It has on top of the page matches, table on the left side, some stats for players on the right side, like assists, yellow card. Then I use the team stats shortcode to add some stats about possession, offside, shots, goals, etc. And on the very bottom of the page, I added match day shortcode. It automatically shows the current match day and all the matches of the current match day. So I will show you one more thing. When the visitor comes to your site and see that page, and when they open, for example, a team page, and then they would like to get back to that page and press standings, they will actually get to JoomSport standings page. So what our customers often do is they create a redirect. So I'll use the redirection plugin. So what I do is I create redirect from JoomSport post to the page I created, and inside, and if we have this kind of structure, when you come to your stats page, then you go to team page, you press standings, and you are automatically redirected to your league page. So this is the trick customers always, not always, but often use to have their own pages added into navigation. And finally, in this video, I would like to show you the example of the site who used this technique to create their own pages on site. And let's see what they managed to achieve. The site is footballmeta.co.uk, and when you go to English Premier League, you will be able to see the season for the site. You have some news related to English Premier League, and you have some stats on page for the previous season. Okay. The site is also using our newsfeed. So, for example, when you open some article and they have links inside, and that links are integrated with our data pages. So, for example, when you open Chelsea, you have news inside, and you can browse some news of that team. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, we will be glad to hear from you. Please write us in official channels like JoomSport.com or Thorium.com. We will be glad to hear from you. Bye.